Hey guys, it's Natalia, and today I'll be doing the blindfolded slime making challenge. And this challenge was created by judes.slimeflying.vids. I don't really know exactly how to pronounce her name, but I think that's close enough. I'll put a picture of her Instagram right here. And yeah, so I got this idea from her because I saw a video she did, and I thought it was really cool. And please don't mind the drilling, super annoying. First thing I think I should mention is that I have two camera angles, so this is the main one. And here's the second one. And this one I'll be using to show you all the slime making. And this one you'll just see my reaction and stuff. Like make sure that I'm blindfolded and all that, and that I'm not cheating, because obviously in this angle you can't see my face. You can only see below my hips, so yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm just gonna blindfold myself and we're gonna start making the slime. Let's go. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna take is my glue, and here it is. Okay, I'm just gonna open this and put the cap over there. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this in the bowl, and I'm gonna pour it all in there. Oh, okay, so I'm just gonna put the glue right on top of that paper towel I have on the ground. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some Dove soap. Don't know which side it is, but whatever. We're gonna take this Dove soap and just pour it in the bowl. This helps with the slime's glossiness, I believe. So now here's the shaving cream. And Okay, I can't really. It's really complicated to get this top off, you know? Always is, even without the blindfold. Did it. Hopefully I didn't get anything on myself. Okay, so shake it. Now put it into our bowl. That should be good. Hopefully that's not too much. Here's what it's looking like so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in like 3 pumps of this soap. Make it bubbly or whatever. Okay, so now we're gonna mix. Okay, so that's what it looks like. All the stuff inside. Okay, set that down. Now I'm gonna take my slime activator. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time, you know, because I don't want to add too much or too little. Or I just don't want to add too much, because once you add too much, you can't reverse it. So now we're just gonna mix. My phone's ringing. Wait, I gotta check in who this is. Hello? I'm just going to put my blindfold back on, and hopefully I don't get any shaving cream in my hair. Alright, so let's continue to what I was doing, which I need to find. Okay, so here's the spatula. So let's just keep mixing, guys. And it feels like the slime has pretty much formed. So oh yeah, that obviously hasn't formed. Okay, need some more slime activator, apparently. And the lid's on. Forgot I put on the lid. Cool. Alright. Okay, I feel like that's enough. Just mix that in with our hands. Okay, I think now's the time I can start kneading my slime. It feels like it needs a little bit more activator. Oh no, I think I got some on my shirt. Okay, that's way too much activator. Okay guys, so let's just knead it and occasionally dip it into how much activator I put in there. You know guys, I'm really sad. I really like this sweatshirt and I got glue on it. I don't know if you can see that at all. You probably can't. Whatever, it's cool. I'm pretty sure I'm done. So I'm just gonna put my bowl on the floor and put this on the table. Yeah, that was cool. Okay, I think we got somewhere, guys. So here's the slime. So now I'm just gonna dye it 2 different colors. Okay, so here's the first color. Here's the second color. Whatever 2 colors they are, hopefully they work out together. So now I'm just gonna take our slime, separate it into almost even halves, I think. And please excuse whatever sound that is. Okay, and take our 2 dyes and dye them. Whatever. Okay, guys. So just dyeing this slime right now. Sorry if I'm not talking loud enough. Hopefully I'm not getting too much dye in my hands, because I hate dyeing my hands. Okay guys, so I think we're complete here and just want to put this in its new home. Okay? Alright guys, so we've completed this masterpiece, as you can see. Here's what it looks like. I have no idea what colors it is, but now it's time to remove my blindfold and see how great I did and how badly I ruined my sweatshirt. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's really bright. Oh, I didn't ruin my sweatshirt. I'm happy. I chose orange and blue. And that doesn't look too horrible, guys. I will do a little close-up for you guys to see how it really turned out. Okay, so here's how it turned out really. So very stretchy, feels pretty fluffy. I really like the colors. It's really cool. This one is actually really successful and really stretchy. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining. I think I stayed in frame. I'm not really sure. I think I stayed in focus, but maybe not. But yeah, that was it. That was pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, like if you guys actually physically like this video, then I will do a part 2 where I make like a different kind of slime, like blindfolded. It's starting to rain actually, so it's about time for me to go inside. I'll see you guys later, and bye.